Sammy, we're gonna make a super delicious, moist, yummy chickpea pound cake. Does it sound weird to make a chickpea pound cake?
Yeah, I would never thought of chickpea cake.
But you're gonna see why it's so good. We have a half a pound of butter, and I'm making you my ingredient beating machine because I need to use the mixer to beat the egg whites. We're gonna mix softened butter with 1 cup of sugar, and we wanna beat it until it is super creamy. And then I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon in there too, okay? Sammy has made some amazing soufflés. Remember when you
Oh, yeah, I
made
made a chocolate souffle.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're fast. Okay, I took a can of chickpeas, I drained them, and I pureed them in the food processor to make them a paste. See there?
Ooh.
I need you to add that in here. Chickpeas are so huge in Sinaloa that not only do they have them like in their main soups and stews, but they have a ton of chickpea caramel and candies. And it turns out that chickpeas are amazing for cake.
Yeah, I always thought that chickpeas were only for like Mediterranean food, you know?
I
But
know.
I think chickpeas, like falafel or like not really pound cake or anything like that.
Okay, I'm gonna add the egg yolks in here. I don't think we've ever eaten chickpeas in a sweet way, no?
Yeah, that's why I was like confusing. But I also think like now that we've eaten almonds with so many sweet things, that makes sense. But really, when you think about it, it's also very like savory too, you know?
So I have a half a cup of flour, and I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I'm adding a pinch of salt. As you continue to beat, the egg yolks in here are gonna give you taste and consistency, but the egg whites here, I'm going to beat them until they're super puffy and cloudy and stiff, and that's gonna give us volume.
That's so weird. Like it just does not look like eggs anymore.
I know. Okay, so now when you have the egg whites, you want to fold instead of beat
So I don't like ruin the consistency.
yeah.
This is what I did for the souffle, I remember.
So yeah, there
yeah.
you go. And you did it masterfully, so you do the same thing. Okay, eso. Muy bien. Okay, now here's the thing. You want to make sure that you're folding until you can't see
The whites?
the separated whites. I mean, you're gonna lose some of the puff, but you don't want to lose most of the puff. It's more fun to cook and bake with you guys than when I cook solo. But when I cook solo, I can play whatever music I want. Okay, so
Oh, it
this
tastes
is
so
great. So now we're gonna put the cake in here. I'll hold it for you and you scrape. It smells so nice. Okay, then eso, and then se ve padre, ¿no?
Yeah, looks good.
Nice. Okay, so we have that oven at 350, and we're gonna put that in there for like 35 minutes. It puffed up nice,
Yeah, looks good.
and it looks moist already. Okay, so we're gonna let it cool. I'm gonna make a very simple sauteed banana topping. And I like them thick because I like to bite into them, you know? Les voy a echar acá, nada más a que se doren un poquito. I'm just browning the bananas in already melted butter. And I just want to caramelize the sugar from the banana. I want to give it a nice coating. I don't want it to be super mushy. Ah, and I want all that butter. See?
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna mix a little confectioner sugar with cinnamon. Yo te echo más. Te pongo whipped cream encima. You know, chickpea pound cake is a thing in Sinaloa. We will see if we want to make it a thing here.
It's so good. You definitely taste the chickpeas. But like you said earlier, like it's like a different form of the chickpea. Like it's not like the usual chickpea flavor, you know?
But the texture, it's so amazing for the pound cake. It's like it wants to be marzipan.
Yeah, it's super soft.
I appreciate that everything I try to make you at least try to eat.